Hi, how you doing? I'm Robert Bollinger from Bollinger Motors, here to show you the B1 and B2. So
this is a fully electric truck?
Yes.
No hybrid?
Yeah, that's not a hybrid, it's 100% electric.
Where's the engine?
The motors, I'll let you, so motors and gearboxes, there's one motor per axle. They're underneath the front quadrant here. The battery pack is underneath the middle. Both trucks, the B1 and B2, are the same vehicle from nose to seat pillar. So we'll be producing them side by side.
Perfect.
Soon. So basically the gearbox is here. Motor out to half shafts that go into portal gear hubs into the wheels. Hydrodynamic suspension, so it has 15-inch ground clearance. It can go up and down 10 inches. You can do that inside, so it's adjustable. Also, it can hold like 5,000 pounds, so once you put 5,000 pounds on it, it'll self-level. A big feature of the truck that's unique to us, and we actually have a patent pending on it, is the pass-through. And this allows on the B1 to hold 13-foot boards internally if the tailgate's closed, and even longer with the back tailgate, obviously. And then on the B2, it has the same feature, and it can hold 16-foot boards with the tailgates closed.
So even though if it's a fully electric truck, it's still gonna be a work vehicle?
Oh yeah, totally. So it's a Class 3 truck, which means it has to be, it's engineered to a 10,001 GVWR. So the truck will be about 5,500 pounds, which means it can hold like 4,500 pounds.
Perfect.
So, like I said, lots of wheel travel. It's engineered to be an amazing off-road vehicle with the storage capabilities, the pass-through holding lumber. Both vehicles can hold 4x8 sheets of plywood. They can hold 4,000 pounds of plywood if you want to. The doors come off, the glass comes off. You see they're popped up. That one's popped up. Those both pop up for ventilation and also come out.
Oh, perfect.
So you can like strip the car, you can take the windshield out, you can take the back glass off. So if you live in a great climate or you want to have it off all summer long, you can have it closed. You know.
Of course, you can take a windshield out when you have 3 of them. You're still gonna have 2.
Yeah. And then the front space here locks. So even if you have your doors and all, you still have a lockable space.
Perfect.
In the back on both trucks, the rear seats come out. So if you take the doors off, you can just pop. There's a little string there you can pull out the back doors. The middle consoles come out. We're going to be selling accessories, so you'll have like half doors that you can buy, bikini tops, the whole thing. So you can outfit it the way you want to.
Let's see the trunk.
So this glass pops out. So this whole section pops out on its own. Again, here this is 49 inches wide, so it holds full sheets of plywood. If you take out those seats in the middle console, then your plywood almost completely fits in the B1, right? So you can still use this as a complete utility work truck if you want to. And then on the weekends you can go off-roading with it, right?
Perfect.
On the B2, obviously this is the pickup version. Again, like the truck is the same up to this point, and then we added the bed. So with the tail midgate, this is the unique feature of this is that we have a midgate that closes. So this is a 4x6 bed. So with the tailgate down, you can again hold plywood and tie it down, or you can lower this, take out these seats, and then there's a full 4x8 bed. The plywood will sit in here, or you can take this comes off easily. This comes down. You can put motorcycles. You can carry whatever you want.
Yeah, but somebody will say, you know, if I load this truck, I'll be able to do 2 rounds around my neighborhood, and I'm run out of the electricity.
Well,
is that true or not?
No, it's a 200-mile range, which is really good for a truck of this size. And also, if you know, how often you can be carrying 4,000 pounds? Probably not very often. But if you carry sheets of plywood or the wood or your motorcycles, you can still go, you know, basically 200 miles. 200
miles. Okay, that's a nice. That's really nice range, and it's up to the standard of the industry today.
Yeah, exactly. And then also we have export power. So there's 8 plugs like this throughout the truck, and it's our inverter on board is strong enough that you can run real power tools with it. So chop saws, anything. You can load it up with wood, load it up with tools, drive up in the middle of nowhere and build a shed, do whatever you want.
So are those trucks made in US or international?
Yeah, they will be made in the US.
And you have, of course, the price for the end user?
Yeah, we announced the price, $125,000 each. And with that, you get a 120 kilowatt hour pack, 6 gearboxes, amazing off-road capability, amazing storage capability, a unique truck. We're going to be low volume, basically a hand-built truck, and want to start out in the market with deliveries starting in 2021.
Perfect. Thank you.